Title: Cracking the Code. Crafting a viral YouTube video in 30 seconds. Attention, aspiring YouTubers. Unlock the secrets to creating a mind-blowing viral video that will captivate audiences worldwide. With our concise guide, you'll learn how to pave your way to YouTube stardom. Firstly, engage your viewers from the get-go. Capture their attention with an irresistible introduction,
Whether it's a catchy,
phrase, or an
astonishing visual effect.
remember, first impressions count. Next, tap into trending topics or popular challenges that have taken the internet by storm. Incorporate these into
Your video too.
increase its shareability and maximize its potential to go viral. Keep a close eye on what's trending and ride the waves of popularity.
Furthermore, make sure
Your video is share-worthy. Enhance the humor, emotions, or jaw-dropping moments to provoke an inherent urge within the audience to press that share button,
utilize unexpected surprises.
or irresistible punchlines to leave viewers wanting more. Moreover, optimize your video for social media platforms.
Create an eye-catching.
Thumbnail picture that leaves viewers yearning to click and view,
Write a compelling title and description
using relevant keywords.
to increase search visibility and reach a broader audience. Don't forget to keep the length of
Your video around the
sweet spot, 5 to 10 minutes.
snappiness is key to maintaining viewers' interest. And
Encouraging them to
share your content with others. Lastly, engage with your audience through comments, likes,
and shares,
respond to their feedback. Build a genuine connection.
and encourage them to
Share your video with.
their friends and family,
Now that you are armed with these pro tips, go out there.
and unleash your creativity. Experiment, learn, and adapt until you hit
The perfect formula to make your YouTube video go viral. With dedication, perseverance, and a sprinkle of luck, your YouTube stardom awaits. Remember, the world is waiting for your viral sensation. Seize the moment.
and create a YouTube empire.
That will
Leave viewers craving for more.
go forth and become the
Next YouTube sensation.